crikey, blimey, you got that? Oh, it's an international order. Oh, that is it all the way from the United Kingdom.
Wow.
And we're so excited.
We're so excited.
Yeah, let me just get get that off there, because I don't want people saying that. No. Now get that off, yeah. That's the delivery note. They'll all come steal it, they will. Yeah, because they'll be so jealous.
I don't think anyone will come and see us.
There. Come on,
Why would anyone want to come and see us?
Oh, I don't know, I haven't a clue. Right, just a second. Yeah, this is an unboxing, by the way. It is. Let me just get rid of all that. You can't see that. It's my address inside there. There you go. Anyway.
I'm sure if they want to find us, they
can. They can actually quite easily. So this is an order, my darling. Well, actually, no, it's not an order. I didn't make an order.
It's a gift.
It's a gift from Ureka glues. I remember them. Yes, I've had gifts from them before.
They're very generous.
They are, and they are very generous, my darling. Yeah, this is my missus.
Hello.
All right. Yes, somebody married me.
I'm seeing if there's anything exciting in there, because he often gets jelly beans.
You're like a little child, you are. With the jelly beans and your Justice League t-shirt, which is actually mine. Anyway, I can't
fit you.
I'm too fat. All right, so come away from the UK, from Ureka Glues, and they have sent me stuff before, and I've been using it, you probably already know, and in particular, Cascabite. Can they see that sign, or is your bum in the way, darling? That one, Cascabite, powdered resin wood glue. You come back in there.
That's very good.
That is very good, alright? There's a bit of a story about it, I see, because my missus was asked to bring me some. I already knew about it, and I was already using it, but anyway, bring me some Cascamite from the UK, didn't you?
Well,
yeah, my dad asked.
My
father.
Yeah.
That wasn't a great idea.
He
it
put
was white
it in a
powder.
little plastic bag, and he said he was got to write on it that was Castamite, and I said, I don't think they believe me. They'll stop me.
It looked like
at the
cocaine. Anyway, should we have a look what's inside this box? Yeah. This is international. Yeah, because we're in France, you see.
Oh, remember, I give it to our son-in-law at the time because he was
a
carpenter.
There you go. There you are. Now, apparently, this is a new product. Alright, so it's quite exciting. Yeah, the new product they've developed. So they thought, oh, I know, they said, I'll give it to Marcus at oh, what's in there?
Ooh. Long.
I think you're going to be disappointed.
Oh, yeah, nothing for me. You didn't give us any jelly beans.
No jelly beans.
And no mug. I had a lovely mug.
We've been looking forward to our casca beans.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. And you got a nice cup last time, didn't you? Flask.
Okay, what's in here?
But I'll tell you what there is in there. Lots of other great stuff. That there is, yes.
You'll be happy.
I'll be very happy. Got some more casca, mate. There can be 3 of those. Brilliant. Now, we use this quite a lot. This is like, it's ideal for doing end grain miters. So, well, most end grain miters are end grain, aren't they? Because there's 45 degrees, so you effectively got semi-end grain. Great for that. This stuff's brilliant, alright? And it comes with the activator here. It's like a little kit. So it's Cascamate, Mitre Bond, adhesive bonds in 30 seconds. And it is, oh, great. That's brilliant. So I do use that a lot.
Two of these.
And Casca X, liquid resin polymer wood glue. This one's good. It's a PVA glue. I think it's a D3. It's a D3 classification. But it bonds in 10 minutes, depending on the weather and the humidity, obviously. I've been using this already. I've got some Casca Rex over there. And it's, yeah, I've used it. So it's good to have another one of those. Oh, and another one!
2 of them.
Got 2 of them. That's brilliant news.
This is something joint resin.
Ooh, joinery resin. Rigid bond. Is it industrial? Ooh, this is interesting. And why it's interesting is it says it's a formaldehyde and solvent free. Now I use a lot of resin type glues, like say Cascamite, which is effectively a resin, and I believe it contains formaldehyde. And formaldehyde, it isn't that great for you, right?
Sounds like poison.
Well, yeah. They're using embalming or something, I don't know. Anyway, but you know, you have to make sure you wear masks and stuff like that, but it's brilliant glue, brilliant glue. But this one is a resin glue, JL10, alright, I'll do some more videos on that, so that's an interesting product. And what have we got here?
Non-foaming water-based.
Cascapole, non-foaming waterproof wood glue. That's another interesting product. It bonds in 10 minutes. Waterproof wood glue, Cascapole. So I imagine, is that a PU glue? Because the PU glues tend to expand.
It's water-based, isn't it?
There's waterproof.
Waterproof.
Waterproof. Let's be honest. Nothing is 100% waterproof. Nothing. Okay. Just different degrees of waterproofness. Right. So Cascapole sets the defining standard of green adhesives, engineered for external joinery, furniture, doors, windows, and marine applications. That is interesting. Any glue that's good with marine applications is very good. It features D4 rated wood glue waterproofness. So that's the rating of how waterproof it is. Like you get D1, that's pretty much not waterproof at all. You're disappointed. Oh, Pandora. The D1's not really waterproof at all. It's just like wallpaper paste. And then got D2, which is the more average sort of stuff you use with kids and stuff really. And then you got the D3s, and then you got the D4s. D3 is probably the most common wood glue, but D4s are, well, quite frankly, very, very good because they basically stand the immersion test for longer before they break down.
I don't know, Daddy.
So yeah, very good.
Have you got any trees?
It's got a shelf life of 9 months when stored in a cool, dry place. That's interesting. So yeah.
I'll take the box.
But no jelly beans.
No jelly beans. And
Someone forgot the jelly beans.
And Dora says,
this is an official complaint.
Have you forgot her treats?
I've got treats somewhere. They're not in there, darling. They're through there. My dog's looking for treats. They're through there, darling. Oh, crikey. No jelly beans. But hey, we'll see how we get on with these. These two are very, very interesting. So these are both water resistant. This is water and the JL10. I'll bring it closer to you so you have a closer look. The JL10 joinery resin. It's saying here it's a rigid bond line, okay, and it's formaldehyde solvent free, but it's water and solvent resistant. Whereas PVAs generally aren't, are they? They can be water resistant, but not generally solvent resistant. Non-foaming waterproof wood glue on this one. There's the Cascapole. This is interesting. Solvent and water free. So what is the base for that? Is it a resin again? I imagine it's a resin. It's a green, what they call a green adhesive. So yeah, these are the two new products. But don't forget, there's also like the Cascarex. Are you going?
Yeah, I'm finding Dora treats.
You're finding Dora treats? Okay. That's my dog, by the way. So that's the Cascarex. And yeah, I've used this quite a bit already, and it's really good PVA. D4, that it is. Is it D4? No, it's D3 classification. But it dries much, much faster. It bonds in 10 minutes. Like I say, it all depends on the weather, you know. Cascamate, as in, yes, I'm going over it again, as in the super glue. This is a medium consistency. It's not too runny. It's not too thick. Ideal for doing mitres and any other applications as well. It's a really good super glue. Notoriously the activators do weaken the glue a little bit, but depending on what you're using it for. If I'm thinking how it's for long term, I won't be using the activator, all right? Or I might be using a little bit of both. Now, so yeah, I'll just have to put little blobs on in places and a little tiny bit of the activator just so it holds it in place as so I can get down off a ladder or something. If I'm doing trims on around around fascias and barge boards and what have you, well then, the trims on the ends of the plastics, UPVC, well then I would, it's still good for that as well, you see. I know it says it's a mitre bond adhesive, but it's still just a cyanoacrylate, but the consistency and the strength of it is very, very good. But when you're using the activators, they're brilliant for woodworking as well, because if you want something to go off quickly, if you're using the two mask and tape technique where you do temporary bond so you can cut small bits of wood, safely on a saw, brilliant for that as well. So I'll do a demonstration to that later. But also, like I say, we'll do some experiments with that later. But that's later, that it is. Anyway, don't forget to beat the like button and maybe subscribe to the channel. And can you, on my behalf, send a written complaint to Eureka Glues for not sending me my jelly beans. Okay?